So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope you all are good. And today in this vlog, I'm just telling you something, guys. If you're having some problem with your steering wheel play, let me tell you first what is steering wheel play. So today we're gonna discuss about steering wheel play and how can you fix it. So I will show you. Come on, guys. Yeah, look, this is my steering and I'm having some problem with my steering wheel, like it's having some. This is the steering play actually, so I'm gonna fix my steering play today, guys, myself. And look, the tire is not moving. If you are moving your steering and still your tire isn't moving, because this is like a small process. I have to just move steering so much to the left and right side to get it cut. So I will fix this, guys. Let me tell you first what I have to do first. So guys, first thing, you have to just open your bonnet. And when you open your bonnet, and then I will show you guys what you have to do. You know, this is steering box and you have to just lose this nut here. This is your steering box. So what I will do is, and hold this, lose the nut. You can see here, my karo zara camera show down there. You have to just loosen the nut. When you will lose it, you have to do the best fitting. Yeah, over here. Do it like this, and now we will check this. When we have just fixed it, the tire is moving with this only. Like if I am doing it to the left, the tire is also cutting, and to the right, the tire is also cutting. Let me tell you how. Look, you know, the play is the part between. Now we having less play, lesser the play is. बहुत कम play आ गई है दोस्तों इसमें. And yes, that's good. इतना सा थोड़ा सा चलता है. The steering ratio and cutting अच्छी हो रही है. No worry. This is how you remove your steering wheel play, guys. And make sure कि जब आप उसको टाइट करोगे तो बहुत टाइट करो, guys, that it won't lose. Look, मैंने क्या कर दिया इस पार्ट को. And this is the part, guys. And आपको इसको करना है जो सेंटर में है, this one. You have to just fix this thing. I hope it must be helpful. I hope, guys, this must be so helpful for you and आपके लिए बहुत फ़ायदेमंद रहेगा. I hope if you will have some problem with your steering play or steering wheel box, so you can sort it out yourself, guys. You don't have to run for mechanic that fix my car. I'm always like doing this stuff myself only, because these things you have to learn by yourself, then you won't get stuck anywhere. If you get stuck anywhere, I think if I get stuck anywhere with this problem, I can just solve it myself. Yeah, that was a great thing for me. So guys, I just love you all for giving that much love and support for me. Yeah, if you guys new for this channel, you can just hit like and do subscribe, guys, because you will finding some great content in this channel now. And I have also started my channel in English. Yeah, so there are some people out there who are not recognizing what I'm saying, and they are not getting what I need to tell them. But yes, now you can get everything, man, and you will get a vlog soon on my Suzuki Samurai, A.K.A. Gypsy King. So guys, look, if I'm moving the steering, the tire is also moving. So this thing we have to do. If you move your steering, the tire should also move a little bit. Little bit. There should be movement in tire when you're moving your steering. If your steering wheel is just running idle, then you're having a steering play, guys. Okay, guys. Yeah, till then, तब तक के लिए एकदम